Time is running so fast. People have to go with time to balance our life. For that, we have to stay fit and healthy every day. Sickness and unhealthy lifestyle leave us back, but we don't want to stay back, right? Basically, our habit shape our life, our present and future. It's very easy to keep our body healthy and at the same time not so easy. Hi viewers, you all are welcome to Pure Living. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share you 10 positive daily habits to stay physically healthy. Here my habits are so important and you can manage it. Number 1. Meditation. Every day 10 to 15 minutes meditation is a powerful positive habit. It's very helpful for your mental and physical well-being. It's really meant to relaxing your brain for better thinking. Meditation gives better health to us. It can control your nervous system, blood pressure, reduce aging. It keeps your body in shape, boost your immune system. It can help improve your better sleep. Meditation fights against diabetes, neurological disease, arthritis, cardiovascular disease, etc. First, sit in a silent place. Make sure your backbone is straight. Take breath deeply and slowly. Keep it inside you for a couple of seconds, then release. Challenge is here. You have to stop thinking about everything and concentrate only on your breathing. Number 2. Take morning sun bath. Take morning sunlight on your skin daily. Sunlight is a natural remedy for your mental and physical health. Sometimes doctor prescribed morning sunlight for child and adults. Sunlight has healing properties. It fights against depression and increase your happy mood, improve immune system and quality sleep at night. It controls lower blood pressure, boost vitamin D in your body, increase bone density, helps to get higher bath weight. So use some sunscreen lotion on your skin and enjoy the sun. Number 3. Drink enough water. Drinking water has many healthy benefits, but not enough people know about all these healthy benefits. Drinking enough water, washing out toxins from your body, help to weight loss, reduce aging, keep your brain sharp, maintain clear and glowing skin, relieves headaches, improve immune system. So continue drinking sufficient water whole day. It doesn't matter where you are, just keep a bottle of water with you always. Some people like to drink warm water with lemon and honey. You can try it also. So get more thirsty, drink more water. Number 4. Stay active. The human body is made for stay active. Do your best to get enough body movement. At least 3 to 4 days a week you can practice yoga. Active body habit or hard work or yoga will keep your body in shape, diseaseless and reduce body fat. Personally, I am a very active person. I like to do hard work every single day. Actually, Americans doing hard work in their daily life and here I am with them. I think hard working makes me more productive and refreshed every day. For few hours hard working is very important for us. Number 5. Keep your house clean daily. It's very important to keep our house clean daily. Virus, bacteria are here and there to harm us. So keep hygienic our surrounding is a step to protect us against bacteria virus infections. Every single day, half an hour or an hour of cleaning keeps us safe. I always maintain it strictly from few years. Mop your room floor with cleaners. Some places you touch multiple times in a day. That all must clean. Take some drops of antiseptic liquid in a bowl of water. Dip in it a soft cloth and squeeze it. Then clean your door handle, storage and drawer handles, refrigerator handles, car steering, etc. Also keep wash daily all your kitchen knives and chopping board. This way, I can save me and my family from infections and diseases. Next, at least twice a week take vegan or veg food. At least twice a week, easily you can take vegan or pure veg food. Non-vegetarian foods has less fiber. The risk of digestion issues is more in the non-vegetarian people. Vegetarian diet is rich of dietary fiber, which balance and improves your digestion system properly. But mind it, you have to select some good quality veg food like multigrains and seeds, nuts, pulses, fruits, vegetables, multiple beans along with mushrooms, tofu, soy meal, paneer and milk. You should have to consume some greens daily and multicolors of vegetables. Number 7. Avoid some white foods and shift it to brown and healthy foods. What is healthy food? It means which foods keeps us active, strong, energetic, diseaseless, away from doctor. You can say healthy foods is like medicines. You have to choose the foods tasty and healthy together. You have to consume good protein, high fiber, full of vitamins, less fat in your daily meal. And you have to avoid some white foods and shift it to brown and healthy foods like white rice to brown rice, white bread to brown bread, white pasta to whole wheat pasta, white egg to brown egg, sugar to jaggery and honey, paneer to tofu, whole milk to reduce fat milk, white mushrooms to organic mushrooms, refined flour to whole wheat flour. It has less fat and more fiber. Number 8. Avoid market packed food strictly. You should avoid market packed food strictly, like wafers or crackers, roasted peanuts, frozen vegetables, canned fruits, ready-made meal, pasta sauce, etc. Because this type of foods are normally added colors, flavors, preservatives and other unhealthy ingredients. Also salty and sugary. You should avoid trans fat and go with the homemade fresh and healthy foods, okay? Next positive habit is keep indoor house plant. It's very important to improve the air quality when many people are staying together in one closed area like school classroom, office, shop and shopping places, etc. And again at home in the night time when you shut all doors and windows and you are cooking in this. Otherwise, as a result, you feel headache, rude or mentally disturbed and less sleep. But you know the solution is very simple and easy. It's indoor house plant which can produce oxygen without sunlight even at night also. You have to keep some indoor house plants every close area. Then it can continuously improving indoor air quality amazingly. My next and last positive habit is be conscious against virus. Be conscious against virus infection. You have to be protective when you are in outside because you don't know where and how virus will reach to you, like the royal coronavirus. In daily basis, everyone had to go outside for profession, education, shopping and multiple purpose. So we cannot control ourselves to go outside world. In this case, I am very strict. I always keep a hand sanitizer bottle in my handbag and use it when it required, usually when I am eating foods. Before and after meal, clean hands properly is very important. After back home from outside, I always remember to change my clothes and wash my hands and face and leave aside all those things which I bought or taken from outside like groceries, vegetables, fruits, dress materials, etc. After wash in open water, I am free to use it. So, which positive daily habit do you like most? Let me know in comment below. Hope you have found it to be helpful. If yes, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you never miss my video. My name is Shamali and thank you so much for watching.